A lot of people are asking this week, is there an AI bubble in the stock market, and should regular investors worry? The short answer: there's concern among experts that some tech stocks, especially AI-linked ones, have gotten expensive, but a bubble isn't a clear, widely confirmed event yet. Analysts debate it because AI's transformative impact has driven valuations higher, but high prices alone don't prove a bubble. Here's the practical way to think about this if you're an everyday investor. Valuations can stay high longer than any prediction. Stocks being pricey doesn't automatically mean a sudden crash, but it does mean risk is elevated. Diversification matters. If you're heavily concentrated in a handful of AI-linked names, you have less protection if sentiment shifts. Keep an emergency cushion. Having cash on hand helps you avoid selling investments during a downturn. So, rather than panic, many financial professionals suggest checking your portfolio balance and goals, consider whether your holdings match your risk tolerance, and if needed, gently adjust exposure rather than making dramatic moves.